Welcome to session 9 of pair of linear equations and two variables of class 10th mathematics. So today we are going to start some equations which is not in the form of linear equation, and we have to reduce it to linear equation. Okay, so the only method is that we have to substitute, we have to use substitution method to convert the given equation to linear equation. Okay, हम लोग को substitution method use करके ही उसको linear equation के form में reduce करना है. So I'm going to start directly the exercise with the first question. Okay, first question, total 8 bits are there. So exercise, this is exercise number 3.6. First question, 1 by 2 x plus 1 upon 3y is equals to 2. This is the first equation, and the second equation is 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equals to 13 by 6. See, both the equations are not in standard linear equation form. So what we will do, we will replace 1 by x by some another variable. We'll take it as u and 1 by y as v. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, let 1 upon x is equals to u and 1 upon y is equals to v. Then we have u, this will become u by 2 plus v by 3 is equals to 2. Now हम लोग क्या करेंगे, will not keep this fraction as it is, will convert that fraction, will simplify that fraction. So how will simplify? By taking LCM. So LCM is 6, this will become 3u, this will become 2v. Now cross multiplication, 6 into 2 is 12. So 3u plus 2v is equals to 12. This is our first equation. ठीक है. Now the second equation will be u by 3, and this will become v by 2. v by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. Now we will take LCM. 6, this will become 2u and this will become 3v and equals to 13 by 6. Now this 6 will be cancelled. यहाँ चाहो तो यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट कैंसिल कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज 6 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करके फिर कैंसिल कर सकते हो. So you have two choice. So मैंने डायरेक्ट कैंसिल कर दिया. So 2u plus 3v is equals to 13. This is our second equation. Now we will check, after getting this form, we will check any coefficients are same or not. तो ध्यान से देखेंगे, यहाँ पे 3 और यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 2 और यहाँ पे 3 है. So that means coefficients of both the variables are not same. So now we have to make it same. कैसे करेंगे? See, किसी को भी पहले एक को सेट कर लो. यहाँ पे दोनों का जो साइन है सेम है. Both the signs are same in both the variables. So I am going to select for v. So यहाँ पे +3 और यहाँ पे +2 है, यहाँ पे +3 है. So we'll multiply 2 to 3 and 3 to 2, so that both will become 6. So now the sign are same for both equations, both variables. So we have to subtract. तो क्या लिखेंगे, एक लाइन पे लिखेंगे हम लोग, multiplying 1 by 3 and 2 by 2, 2 by 2, then subtracting we get. So now 1 by 3, इसको 3 से इंटू कर रहे हैं, तो this will become 9u, this will become 6. 9u plus 6v is equals to 12 into 3 is 36, right? And इसको हम लोग 2 से इंटू कर रहे हैं, so this will become 4u plus 6v is equals to, this will become 26. Now we are subtracting, तो साइन चेंज होगा सेकंड इक्वेशन के, तो ये कैंसिल हो गया. 5u is equals to 10, so u is equals to 10 by 5 is equals to 2. Right? Now what was u? u क्या था? 1 upon x. So x हो जाएगा, this two will be interchanged. So x will be 1 by 2. Okay. Now we are going to substitute u in any one equation. So I will substitute in first equation. Substitute u is equals to 2 in equation 1 we get. So यहाँ पर मैं substitute कर रहा हूँ 3 into 2 plus 2v is equals to 12. Okay. So 3 into 2 is 6. Now I am going to shift the 6 to this side. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So v is equals to 6 by 2 is 3. But what was v? v क्या था? 1 by y. So y हो जाएगा 1 upon 3. Hence the solution is x is equals to 1 by 2 and y is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer for first question, first bit. This is first bit. Okay, now see, in question it is written that solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. ठीक है, तो इस क्वेश्चन को मैं दूसरे तरीके से भी कर सकता हूँ. Right, so I am going to explain the other method. This is method number 2. This is not applicable for this question because in this question it is clearly mentioned that you have to reduce the given equation to linear equation, pair of linear equation. एग्जाम में यूजुअली जो है वो मेंशन नहीं करता है कि किस मेथड से करना है, कैसे करना है. Simply you have to solve the equations. Then you can use this method also. So मैं सीधा LCM लेना. I am going to take LCM directly here. So what we will get? 6xy 3y plus 2x, and this is equals to 2. Right? So 6xy into 2 will become, इसको थोड़ा सा rearrange कर लेंगे, equals to 12xy. So this is my first equation. अब second equation 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equals to 13 by 6. Now I am taking LCM directly without substitution. So this will become 6xy. 6xy ये हो जाएगा 2y. This will become 3x and whole equals to 13 by 6. So you can cancel this 6. So you get 3x plus 2y is equals to 13xy. This is equation number 2. Now don't check that whether it is in linear equation or not, क्योंकि मुझे solve करना है. Question में लिखा हुआ है solve the equations. Now see, I am going to make the variable, I am going to make the coefficient of variable y same. So I have to multiply this by 2 and this by 3. Okay? और दोनों का साइन भी सेम है, so subtract करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? Multiply 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, then subtracting we get. So इसको हम लोग 2 से इंटू कर रहे हैं, तो 4x plus 6y is equals to 24xy. Here we are multiplying with 3, so 9x plus 6y is equals to this is 39xy. Okay, पूरा subtract करेंगे, ये cancel हो जाएगा. minus 5x is equals to minus 15xy. See, यहाँ पे x और x cancel हो जाएगा, minus will cancel, and what we will get? We'll get y is equals to 5 by 15. Y is equals to 5 by 15, that is 1 by 3. यहाँ पर वही आंसर था 1 by 3. Okay. Now we'll substitute y is equals to 1 by 3 first equation only. क्यों? क्योंकि 3 into y है, 3 into y. So substituting y is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 1. We get 2x plus 3 into 1 upon 3 is equals to 12x into 1 upon 3. तो y दो जगह पे वहां पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, सब्स्टिट्यूटेड y एज इज इक्वल्स टू 1/3, सो ये कैंसिल हो गया. See carefully, 2x plus 1 is equals to 4x. Now shift 2x to this side, that will become minus 2x. So इसको लिख सकते हैं 2x is equals to 1 और x is equals to 1/2. So same answer we are getting. So in this way also you can solve, but condition, it should not mention that in the question that you have to solve the equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. Okay, अगर question में simply it is given that solve the equation, so you can follow this method also. Okay, so this is first question, and now let us move towards the second question. Not second question, first question, second bit. So total 8 bits हैं, सारे ऐसे बड़े बड़े हैं. We'll try to complete, and I have fixed the session is 30 to 35 minutes. Okay. Now second bit. Second bit is first question. Second bit, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2. Now for all the questions we are not going to use two methods because in the question it is written that solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसको reduce करने के बाद solve करेंगे, right? So second equation is okay. So now this is not in the linear equation form, so we will take 1 by root x is equals to u. Okay, and 1 by root y is equals to v. Then we have this will become 2u, this will become 3v is equals to 2. This is first equation, and the second equation 4u minus 9v is equals to minus 1. This is second equation. Now see carefully, we can make the coefficient of u also by multiplying it with 2 and v also by multiplying it with by 3. लेकिन हम लोग किसको प्रेफरेंस देंगे जिसका साइन अलग अलग है. So v का साइन अलग अलग है. See, there is no rule to for such preference. मैं केवल प्रेफरेंस बता रहा हूँ जल्दी सॉल्व करने के लिए, right? So multiplying first equation by 3, then adding with 2. So I am writing first multiplying equation 1 by 3, then adding with 2 we get. Okay, so इसको मैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. 6u plus 9v is equals to 6. 4u minus 9v is equals to minus 1. These two will be cancelled. We got 10u is equals to 5. So u is equals to 5 by 10. That is 1 by 2. Now what was u? u क्या था? 1 by root x. That means root x is equals to 2. So x क्या होगा? How will you remove the root? By squaring. So x will be equals to 2 square. That is 4. Okay. Now we'll substitute u in first equation. Substituting u is equals to 1 by 2 in equation 1. We get यहाँ पे 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3v is equals to 2. ये 2 cancel हो गया. So we'll get 1 plus 3v is equals to 2. Now shift 1 to this side, that will become minus 1. So finally we'll get v is equals to 1 upon 3. But what was v? v क्या था? 1 upon root y. So 1 upon root y is equals to 1 upon 3. So this will imply root y is equals to 3. तो फिर से दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर करेंगे, so we'll get y is equals to 9. Hence the solution is x is equals to कितना है 4 and y is equals to 9. Okay, so इसको भी हम लोग डायरेक्ट कर सकते थे, लेकिन अभी नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा लगेगा, फिर सेशन बढ़ जाएगा. थर्ड बिट करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट विल डू द थर्ड बिट. 4 by x plus 3y is equals to 14. This is the first equation. 3 by x minus 4y is equals to 23. Okay, 4 by x 3 by 14. Right. Now see, हम लोग यहाँ पर केवल 1 upon x को सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So let 1 by x is equals to u. Then we have 4u plus 3y is equals to 14. This is our first equation. And 3u minus 4y is equals to 23. This is second equation. Now see, we can make the coefficient of u also same by multiplying it with 3 and by with 4. यहाँ पर भी उतना ही काम है, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और यहाँ पे 3 से. So I told you that I will give preference to the different sign, plus minus. Why? Because for that I have to add the equation. So इसको 4 से और इसको 3 से इंटू कर रहे हैं, then we'll add. So what we'll write, multiplying 1 by 4, 2 by 3 we get. So यहाँ 4 से इंटू कर रहे हैं हम लोग. 16u plus 9y is equals to 56 और इसको 3 से इंटू कर रहे हैं. 9u minus wait ये 12 होगा. Okay, this will be 12. 16, 12, 56, right? And this will be into 3 minus 12y is equals to 69. Now we have to add. ये कैंसिल हो गया. यहाँ पे 25u is equals to 125 we are getting. That means u is equals to 125 by 25 is equals to 5. So what was u? U क्या था? 1 upon x. So we got x is equals to 1 upon 5. Okay, now we are going to substitute the value of x is equals to 1 upon 5 in any one equation. ठीक है, या हम लोग u का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. बेस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट u is equals to 5 in equation 1. We get, okay, we get 4 into 5 plus 3y is equals to 14. Now what is 4 into 5? 20. We'll shift that side. So that will become minus 20. So 3y is equals to minus 6. Y is equals to minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. Hence, the solution is x is equals to 1 upon 5 and y is equals to minus 2. So we have completed third bit. Now let us move towards the fourth bit. Fourth bit के बाद फिर fifth bit. Okay. Now fourth bit question is 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equals to 1. Right. And the second equation is 6 upon x minus 1 plus, minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equals to 1. So what we will do, 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equals to 2. ये इक्वेशन थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. And 6 upon x minus 1 is equal, ये ठीक है. Okay, now let 1 upon x minus 1 is equals to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equals to v. Then we have, so ये पूरा u से replace हो जाएगा 5u. This will be replaced by v. So this is our first equation. This will be 6u minus 3v is equals to 1. Second equation. Now फिर से मेरे पास एक प्लस माइनस का चॉइस आ गया और मुझे एक ही इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. I have to multiply only one equation, that is equation 1 by 3. Then we have to add. So multiply equation 1 by 3, then adding with 2 we get. So इसको हम लोग 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. 15u plus 3v is equals to 6. 6u minus 3v is equals to 1. Add कर रहे हैं. 21u is equals to 7. So what we will get, u is equals to 7 upon 21 is 1 upon 3. Now what was u? u क्या था? 1 upon x minus 1. So 1 upon x minus 1 will be equals to 1 upon 3. So x minus 1 is equals to 3. Now shift 1 to this side. Plus 1 हो जाएगा. So answer is 4. Now we got the value of x is equals to 4. Now we'll substitute u in second equation. क्यों? क्योंकि 6 जो है वो 3 का मल्टीपल है. Right? First में नहीं करना. Otherwise answer आ जाएगा. You will get the answer. But you have to struggle a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to substitute in second equation. Substitute u is equals to 1 upon 3 in equation 2. We get, यहाँ पे substitute करें 6 into 1 upon 3 minus 3v is equals to 1. So ये 2 से cancel हो रहा है. Now what we will do, we will interchange this two. 1 को इधर लेके आएंगे minus 1. Minus 3v we will shift to that side, it will become plus 3v. So we'll get v is equals to 1 by 3. Now what is v? 1 upon y minus 2. So this will imply y minus 2 is equals to 3. So y is equals to 3 plus 2, 5. Hence the solution is x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 5. Right? So this is the fourth bit. Now let us move towards the fifth bit. Fifth bit, 7x minus 2y upon xy is equals to 5. Now see, इसमें क्या करेंगे हम लोग, पहले स्प्लिट कर लेंगे. विल स्प्लिट, दोनों को स्प्लिट कर लेंगे. राइट, यहाँ पे x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे y. So we'll get 7 by y minus 2 by x is equals to 5. Okay. So if you wish, you can rearrange. You can write the x first or y first. No issue. And the second equation is 8x plus 7y upon xy is equals to 15. Here also we'll split the two terms. So here also x and y are cancelled. So what we are getting, x8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equals to 15. Okay, now what we will do, we will take 1 upon y u. अभी यहाँ पर y का टर्म पहले लिखा हुआ है, इसलिए मैं 1 upon y को u ले रहा हूँ और 1 upon x को v ले रहा हूँ. So then we have, this will become 7u minus 2v is equals to 5, first equation, and this will become 8u plus 7v is equals to 15, second equation. Okay, ये वाला क्वेश्चन मैं अभी दूसरे मेथड से भी बताऊंगा, because this method is very lengthy, right? Now see, I am going to target the v coefficient. Okay, I am going to make the coefficient of v same because both signs are different. तो इसको मैं 7 से इंटू करूंगा और इसको 2 से इंटू करूंगा. So multiplying 1 by 7 and 2 by 2, then adding we get, so यहाँ 7 से इंटू कर रहे हैं हम लोग, 49u minus 14v is equals to 35. Here 2, 16u plus 14v is equals to 30, right? So this will be cancelled. We'll get 65. U is equals to 65 and u is equals to 1. So u क्या था? What was u? 1 upon y. So y is equals to 1. We got the value y is equals to 1. Now we are going to substitute u in second equation, क्योंकि वहाँ पे माइनस कोई भी नहीं है. So substituting y is equals to 1 in equation 2, we get, so 8 plus 7 v is equals to 15. Now we'll shift 8 to this side. So 15 minus 8, 7 हो जाएगा. So we'll get 7v is equals to 7, that is v is equals to 1. So what was v? 1 by x. So x पे यहाँ पे 1 आ गया. Hence the solution is x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1. Okay, so this is question number 5th bit of first question. So now we are going to इसका दूसरा मेथड देखें. दूसरा मेथड चलो जल्दी से देख लेते हैं. मैं यहाँ पे करवा रहा हूँ. इतने एरिया में हो जाएगा. आई एम श्योर we can complete the second method in this area. Okay, so our equation is 7x minus 2y is equals to 5xy. This is first equation. And second equation is 8x plus 7y is equals to 15xy. This is second equation. Okay. So I am going to multiply this by 7 and this by 2 and add it. So multiplying 1 by 7 and 2 by 2, then adding we get, so 49x minus 40y is equals to 35xy. This will become 60x plus 14y is equals to 30xy. We are adding, so 65x is equals to 65xy. So x cancel and we'll get y is equals to 1. ठीक है, कितना जल्दी हो गया. हमको यहाँ पर y is equals to 1 यहाँ पे मिला था. Now substituting y is equals to 1 in equation 2, we get, so 8x plus 7 into 1, 15x into 1. राइट। सो 7 को यहीं पर रखेंगे, 8x को उधर शिफ्ट करो। So this is 7x is equals to 7. So x is equals to 1. तो इतने प्लेस में हम लोग का वो सॉल्यूशन आ गया, राइट। एग्जाम में if in the examination if methods are not specified, you can use this method also. There is no objection. Okay, right. Now we'll solve one more question, then we'll wind up the session. टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है, so उसको यहाँ पे कर लेते हैं। Okay, sixth bit. 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy. Now see, this question also you can do directly, or you can use this method also, right? लेकिन मैं पहले भी बता चुका हूँ, I have already told you that in the question it is written that we have to reduce the equation to a pair of linear equation. So foundation है, तो हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा, divide both sides by xy. Okay? So ये xy को वापस नीचे शिफ्ट करना है, ऐसे, right? Now split करो। So here x will cancel, here y will cancel. So we'll get, अब थोड़ा मैं x को पहले लिख देता हूँ, right? 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equals to 6. Now the second equation, 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. तो यहाँ पर भी ये xy को नीचे शिफ्ट करेंगे और शिफ्ट xy to the bottom. Then we'll split y by x cancel, and I am going to write the x term first. Now substitute, let 1 upon x is equals to u, 1 upon y is equals to v, then this will become 3u plus 6v is equals to 6, first equation, and this will become 4u plus 2v is equals to 5, second equation, right? अभी दोनों का साइन सेम है, but I will go for v. Why? Because I have to multiply only one equation. देखो इसको 6 करने के लिए 3 से 2 करना पड़ेगा, so working is less, then we have to subtract. So multiplying 2 by 3, then subtracting with 1 we get. So इसको 3 से 2 कर रहे हैं, 12u plus 6v is equals to 15, 3u plus 6v is equals to 6. Now we have to subtract, minus minus minus. So what we are going to get here, 9u, यहाँ पर भी 9 मिल रहा है, that means u is equals to 1. Okay, what was u? 1 upon x. So x is equals to 1 मिल गया हम लोग को, right? Now we'll substitute u in first equation. Substitute u is equals to 1 in equation 1. We get in this equation. So 3 plus 6v is equals to 6. Okay. So 3 को उधर शिफ्ट कर लो. So 6v is equals to 3. मैं यहाँ पे कर दे रहा हूँ. I'm going to do here. So v is equals to 6 by 3 is 3 by 6. 1 by 2. And what was v? 1 upon y. तो यहाँ पे y is equals to 2 आ गया. ठीक है, तो what is the solution? Hence the solution is x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. So 6 bit हो गया. Now 7th and 8th bit and 3 word problems are there. We'll do in the next session. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.